Hello traders, this is Dez here at Grok Trade. It's Tuesday, October 8th, 2013. Wall Street sell-off intensifies on Obama stalemate comments. Reuters saying that the U.S. stock extended losses in late afternoon on Tuesday as President Barack Obama spoke about the political stalemate in Washington. Sure enough, market's down. The S&P down 1.23%, the Dow down more than 1%, and we have the Nasdaq down a whopping 2%, with the Russells close behind. Banks off by only 0.64%. VIX higher by 5.4%, up now over 20. It's been a long time since we've been over 20, gang. Gold sells off a little bit, down 0.2%, with the silver off the same. Crude oil up about 0.5%, with US dollar up a mere fraction. Before I move this, utilities index is up. That's a defensive sector, up 0.6%. This is the spider daily chart. We talked about this inverted hammer, kind of a doji thing here. It's kind of grapefruit doji, inverted hammer here at a support level. We broke that on volume. The S&P 500, we found a lot of support here at the 50% Fibonacci. We dropped below that and the 61.8. Bad trouble. Furthermore, support, we broke that support in the 100-day moving average. A lot of blood out here in the streets, gang. If you look at the weekly chart, if you are long the market, I would say stay with your long because of this line on the weekly chart. Support, we are at support. We're still above the zero line. So this is the last ditch effort for this market to do a bounce. And if we do get a bounce here, we could doji out here with the hammer. We could go lower, big sell off tomorrow, and then bounce back the next couple days, giving us a big hammer on the weekly chart. And then you should see a sizable rally in the next couple weeks if we can hold this support line. Very important that we do that. Gold, daily chart, just hung up there with the 20-day moving average acting as resistance. And silver, just a small delay or a pause here in the market. As far as Google's concerned, Google's down 1.4%. We showed yesterday that we broke down below. Don't want any part of Google. Boom, a drop. Apple, we are hoping that we'd stay above this trend line, but instead we come back down just a hair below the 50-day moving average. So that's a lot of weakness. But Facebook, wow. I mean, it was off by 6.7% today. We built this high base looking for an entry. Just could not break out for us to enter. Big sell-off to a support line. Support. It's right where we're at. I'm going to tweak that ever so slightly. So right here we could get a bounce. Microsoft, we needed that area to be support, but we broke below it. A lot of weakness out there in the markets. Any way you shake it. Move this over ever so slightly, and I am going to take a look at our bear list. And our big loser on the bear side is rack space. Wow, we're up here at 54. Now we're at 47. Big drop, double top trend reversal pattern M, and it's dropping on volume. Another one down more than 4% just today alone is BCOR. These are on our bearish list. A lot of trades here to be had, so hopefully you can pull some trades out of those. On our bull lists, even though the markets have been really bearish, KKD is our leader for today, up nearly 2% on our bull list. These are fundamentally strong companies, and these we give out each week. So we're going to be at the Traders Expo in Vegas. Hope you can join us out there. It's time to change things for you and your trading. We're going to be doing a mentorship next month in November, so I want you to be thinking about that. Listen to what coming up next.
This may or may not be you, but traders who come to Grok trade for help are sharp, well-educated, and have made money in the past. However, trading was a real struggle for them. They bought high and sold low. They let small losses turn into large losses. They kept losing money. This does not have to be you. They made a change before it was too late. Grok Trade students trade within the live markets with confidence. Get signed up for mentoring today before it's too late for your trading.
I'm Tim Cole.
I'm Mike Reed.
My name is Randeep Kapoor.
Shane Parker.
Hi, I'm Steve Gould.
Mary Olson.
My name is Spiro Karajanis.
Mike Muller.
My name is Caroline Elizon, and I've been day trading full-time for about 2.5 years.
What did you think of the mentorship?
I am just thrilled with it. I think it's a great program.
It kept me going, kept my brain moving.
In 20 years, I learned this much about trading. I think that this weekend gave me this much to add on it.
This is actually my second time through mentorship, so this is a refresher for me. And I'm picking up nuggets that I missed the first time around, and I feel more confident to use all this information.
It's given me a skill level that's a much higher level.
You learn stuff that you will not learn in any other course. I've taken a bunch of different courses. I've never seen this stuff taught before. No one else teaches it. I mean, you've given us such golden nuggets today, or this week. You know, it's well worth taking this class.
Yeah.
It has helped unbelievably. I mean, I can't even explain it. I'm literally at a loss for words right now.
So if there was someone out there who was thinking about joining the mentoring class, kind of on the fence, what would you tell them?
I would definitely say this is something that you need if you're struggling with consistency in your trading results.
You need to have good education, good understanding, otherwise you will get killed in the market.
You can understand why they're doing what they're doing, how to trade successfully, how to make the proper setups, what you're looking for, and how to go from being a newbie to a professional trader in a short period of time.
You're not going to be able, on your own, floundering or just reading books, to be able to sit down and pick the brain of very successful traders and be able to incorporate that into your own trading.
You learn something that you didn't know before, and learning is always good, no matter how old you are.
Mentoring is all about helping you really get your hands on and practice it.
I would tell anybody who's on the fence, took me 20 years to learn this much. This much. And you know what? Maybe it's really this much, but I'm trying to, tell you that I know a little bit more. And I got this much, out of this weekend. So I think you got to be crazy to want to go through years of heartache to learn stuff that experts can teach you right away.
I've just realized being here how important it is to get some formal education in trading. You get so many things from so many different directions, and to have it all brought together and put in front of you, your toolkit so you can use it, is really invaluable.